All right, gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature, gang. All right, so understanding candlestick patterns, how to identify them, and how to trade them. All right, so just understanding candlestick patterns to identify them and know how to trade them is so important. This is more like an advanced session, but I feel like I know how to trade now. So I'm gonna giving y'all as much content as I can. So this is more like the advanced sessions right now. Understanding head and shoulder patterns, bearish engulfing patterns on the daily, and understanding these candlestick patterns, even star patterns on the daily, to let you know the overall direction of the trend, how to trade the overall direction of the trend. And we're going to take profit one as we're still in a downtrend after a major reversal from take profit 6 all the way down to take profit 2. So you will look at the 4-hour patterns. You look at the candlestick patterns on a higher time frame, like the daily, the 4-hour, and the weekly, and it will let you know the overall direction to trade in. Okay, so when candlestick patterns form on a higher time frame, like the daily, like a black Marubozo candlestick, lets us know that long black candlestick, strong pressure, long candlestick pattern. The body is long. This is a black Marubozo candlestick pattern. Let us know from take profit 6 to take profit 2. Let us know that we're in a downtrend now. So when you see these candlestick patterns form on a higher time frame, they will tell you the overall direction that the market is trading in. Okay, so we're now in a downtrend. We're trading in a downtrend, and it's just a whole lot easier to understand on a daily and a 4-hour, opposed to the looking at the 5 minute or the 15. As we scroll into it's easier to look on the 4-hour and see long black candlestick for the last 4 hours. This lets us know, okay, all right, for the last 4 hours, we're going down. Okay, if it went down for this 4 hour, the next 4 hour is definitely going down. If we see, all right, for the day it's going down, if we see black candlesticks, it'll let you know that. So it's way easier to see these candlestick patterns on a higher time frame. It will show you the overall direction. That's why we look at the overall direction. We look on the 4-hour and the daily, and the 2-hour, even the 1 hour, to see the overall direction of the trend, opposed to looking on the 15 or the 5 minute. We only look at that for sniper entry, for entries. We look at the 4-hour and the daily and the weekly to see the overall direction of the trend. Okay, this is how we make money in this market. So it's so important that you understand that we look at the higher time frame, and we see the candlestick pattern form on a higher time frame, and that gives us the overall direction of the trend. And then we scroll into the 15 and the 5 minute to see the entries, to get entries as we scroll into the 15. You know, as we scroll into the 15, boom, as you can see. So boom, let's just back up real fast as we scroll into the 15. I can show you exactly. It's more structure. It's more structure on the 15, but the overall direction we look on the daily and the 4-hour and the weekly, and sometimes a 2-hour and an hourly chart to see the overall direction of the trend. As we scroll in, boom, as we scroll in, you can see. Hold on. C is right here, right? Boom. Let's just pick off where we was just at last time. So this will be C right here. Boom. You see more structure on the 15. You can see more structure on the 15. But it's way easier to look on the 4-hour opposed to the 15, as you see like 100, 200 candlesticks. It can be confusing. It can be confusing looking at the 15. You have to have a very, very good eye. We only scroll down to the 15 really to get entries. But it's hard to see, like, or you can see structure, lower lows and lower highs, and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows. We're in a downtrend. When price makes higher lows and lower lows and higher lows and lower lows, we know market structure: higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low. We're in a downtrend. We didn't know market structure, but it's just easier. Sometimes it can be very, very difficult to, when you're in the actual trade, to see, like, on the 15. I know a lot of y'all probably trade on the 15 and 5 minute. You don't want to trade on the 5 minute and the 15. This is how you can get faked out easily, and lose money and get stopped out. Stopped out meaning that your broker will take your money from you because you don't have enough money to hold that trade, because you up your lot size too high, or you wasn't patient enough and you got in at the wrong entry. to avoid all this from happening, from you losing money and then having to having to lose like half of your account or most of your money, you would just go to the daily, and to see the overall direction of the trend. You would go to the daily, and the weekly to see the overall direction of the trend. Oh, okay, I could tell we see this even star pattern, yellow candlesticks, shooting star, black candlestick, long black candlestick, let us know, okay, we're in a downtrend. Okay, as opposed to going to the 15 and the 5 minute and looking at 100 candlesticks, looking at 100, 200 candlesticks being formed on the 15 for the day, it's easier to look on the daily and the 4 hour to see the overall direction. Okay, we just scroll into the 15 to see the structure and the gate for entries. That's what we really use the 15 for. So this was the move that happened earlier that day when I said gold was going up to take profit 7. I said gold was going up to take profit 7. Obviously it didn't go up to take profit 7. So what happened? What happened was on a higher time frame, of course, we could tell price is going down if we look on the daily. But as you can see on the 15 and the 5 minute time frame, we can see like, okay, more structure. Obviously, this is price went from what, A to B to C. Boom, 27 extension. Boom, we draw Fibonacci from here to here. Boom, from here to here, 27 extension. Boom, right to 27 extension, right? Boom, price went right to 27 extension. Boom, get out the trade, right? Boom. So as you can see, our Fibonacci, this is the move I just showed y'all. I was thinking price was gonna go to take profit 7. It didn't. But from A to B to C, boom. This is the way that you can you see our Fibonacci levels on there. And then after it broke the trend line, boom. I thought price was going to retest back to 38.2, 0.5. As when it went to B, I thought it was going to head back up to C. When I woke up, it had dropped all the way down from B all the way down to A, past A, and all the way down to take profit 2, all the way down here, it passed A, broke past A right here, boom, it broke past A, and it kept dropping down. So it broke past B. Once the price breaks past B, it's going to what? The A. Once price breaks past C, it's going to B. Once price breaks past B, it's going to A as far as our trend line. So it's understanding like, once price goes to C, it's going to go to B. Once price goes to B, it's going to go to A. If it goes to A, boom, we're in complete downtrend. There's another trick, once it gets past our Fibonacci level 0.82, we go from 27 to 0.82. Next level is 1. So it broke past all our levels. Once it goes from 0.82, go to 0.5, 0.618, all the way down. So this is a little another trick, but it did break our trend line. What happens after price breaks the trend line? Boom, you get in for sale. You can get in. You could have in it right here at 1851, and you could have rolled it all the way down from 1851. You could have gotten right here at 1847. Once price makes a retest, makes a higher low, boom, get in for a lower high. Could have gotten that B. And then, price retests back up a little bit at 1847. You could have got back in there. It passes B. And, we're in a downtrend. It breaks past take profit 5, take profit 6. And now we're in a downtrend, game. So just understanding, on the 15 though, you can see it's more harder to understand. On the 15, this is take profit 5. Boom, sorry, this is take profit 6. This is take profit 5. Boom. Scroll over some more. Take profit 6 right here. Take profit 4 right here, and this is take profit 3. So price goes all the way down from take profit 7, all the way down to take profit 6, take profit 5, take profit 4, take profit 3, and now we're at take profit 2. Dang, now we're at take profit 2. And prices it still can go down. Price can still go down. This is take profit 2 right here. Boom. And price can go back down to take profit 1. So just understanding everything, on the 15, opposed to looking on the 15 though, you can see, on the 15 is a million candlesticks. All right, gang. So I hope these videos help. I'm gonna drop one more video. All right, gang.